what do? We take a detailed history of your life from the time you were born, in fact even before that till now. Everything that has happened in your life, we need to know. We try to know that. What is your life situation? What are your symptoms? What has happened 2 years back, 5 years back, 10 years back? Because everything has an impact on what is happening right now. Lab tests. We do advanced lab tests to not only understand what is happening. Is my blood sugar high? Is my triglycerides high? No, not only that. We also do tests to find out why they are high. We dig 1 or 2 levels deeper. Right? Naturally, all of this means that this is a personalized approach. This is not a blanket for everyone. Everybody who has PCOS, you give this medicine, these 2 medicines, and you are done. And you tell them to lose weight. No, it is personalized for every person. We will actually, in this program also, those of you decide to join, we will actually be working with each of you, and we will be sharing plans made for each person separately. Okay? We help you change your diet, because that is again a major root cause of these problems, as Dr. Ruhi explained in so many ways, right? It is junk food, it is high in refined items, it is creating imbalances in your insulin secretion. Insulin in turn is creating imbalance in other hormones. So we change that diet to remove things which are not good for the body and add things which are good. And all of this is very simple changes. There's nothing exotic. All of this is available everywhere. We bring in a certain amount of physical activity and meditation, which is scientifically proven to help with these problems. Okay, you can do different kinds of exercises, you can do different kinds of yoga for different kind of benefits. We will tell you what to do for these problems. And also, I'm sure all of you know already, most people, urban Indians, are deficient in basic nutrients. Basic vitamins are low. Unless we supplement it, body doesn't have the raw material to recover its health. So we will create a supplementation plan, unique, individualized for each one of you. What are the results? Resolution of your problems, of your symptoms. You will see within a short period of time, your cysts will start reducing. If your periods are irregular, they start getting regular. If you had not been getting periods, you will start getting them again. Your PMS symptoms go down, the pain goes down, the tenderness goes down, your mood swings stop happening, you're much more joyful, you're much more energetic. In 3-4 months, we have actually brought down thyroid levels to half, absolutely normal range. And when you look at the outcome in a short period of time, you have saved a lot of money because you are free of the problem. You have understood what was causing the problem, and you have understood what changes you need to make to come out of the problem. And all of this without putting any toxic chemicals into your body. No side effects. Right? So this is again a summary of how we approach. When you go to the conventional model of treatment, first job of the doctor is to diagnose what is a disease, right? Give a name to it. Then based on that name, they will give you a list of medicines and other things. Here, it's not like that. We essentially try to understand. Our always approach is to ask why this is happening. If this symptom is coming in this person, what is the reason? What is the root cause? You go on digging deeper, like how Dr. Ruhi was asking you that, did you know all of these connections between insulin and so many other symptoms that you are having in your body, right? So you start understanding for each person, what are the symptoms? What are the factors which are creating those symptoms, right? You do whatever testing, etc., which is required to figure that out. And then you start working with them. You create a plan for each person and explain, help them implement it. So the treatment is happening not through medication. It is happening by addressing the root causes. What are root causes? Again, to summarize: food, lifestyle, Nutraceuticals were required in terms of supplements wherever there are deficiencies. Microbiome balancing. 52% of the weight of this body is actually bacteria. Okay, it's difficult to say we are human because bacteria are majority, right? So we should say we are bacteria having a human experience. That is that is closer to the truth, isn't it? So what kind of bacteria we have is paramount when it comes to our health. We will help you understand how to address that as well. Light therapy, right? See, it's only in the last few decades that we have become a complete indoors species. Otherwise, always we were out in the open, in the sunlight, in the moonlight, doing our jobs, doing our things, right? So what kind of light our body is being exposed to again has a huge impact on our health. We will tell you what changes you can make. Heavy metals have become a major problem, okay? Out of 10 people who come to us for health issues, at least 6, 7 or 8 will have heavy metal toxicity in the body. Things like mercury, lead, strontium, which should not be there, which are absolutely poisonous and harmful for the body, but they're there. We will tell you how to get rid of them. Gut detox, right? The intestines are 25, 30, 35 feet long, depending on your height and size of the body. They have never been cleaned. We have never done anything about it, most of us, right? Very simple methods to detoxify your gut, we will tell you. At the same time, how to detox this, because without detoxing this, nothing else will have complete effect. Emotional, mental detox. How to change how your mind works, how to change how you think, so that you don't create the same problems later on. You come and join the program 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you feel wonderful. 6 months later, if you're back in the same position, what is the point? Right? It's a waste. So we will equip you with whatever you need to do that for yourself, to ensure that you keep on improving.